If you've been a victim of a serious crime, did you know that there are others other than the defendant, the criminal or perpetrator who committed the crime? There are others who can be held liable if their negligence or carelessness contributed or facilitated the commission of that crime. Let's discuss who these people or groups are. Hi, I'm Larry DeMarco, and I'm a personal injury, workers' compensation, and family law lawyer. Who are the people or companies other than a criminal defendant who can be held liable in a civil claim to a crime victim? A landlord who doesn't provide adequate security measures, such as locks on doors or windows, or adequate lighting. Another, shopping centers or malls that don't employ security guards or other safety measures, despite that they profit from owning the shopping center and they know there's a high risk that a criminal will attack. Another group, colleges that fail to provide adequate security for students or fail to notify students of campus assaults, leaving those students vulnerable to becoming victims of crime themselves. A fourth group, security companies who don't have careful hiring practices or don't provide sufficient training for their guards to prevent the crimes that they're paid to prevent. Fifth, people who allow minors to carry guns or other dangerous weapons when those weapons are likely to be used to hurt others. Another group, child care centers, schools, churches, youth groups, and other nonprofits who don't check the backgrounds of employees or volunteers and are just transfer workers to other locations following allegations of abuse. Another group, tavern owners or social hosts who continue to serve alcohol to drunk patrons and then allow that drunk patron to drive drunk and hurt innocent people and themselves. Another, banks with outdoor ATM machines in secluded high-crime areas that can leave customers vulnerable to armed robbery and injury from violent crime. Proper security measures can ensure safety, so the failure to properly secure outdoor ATM machines can lead to liability. Another group, owners of private halfway houses who have a contract with the government to house criminals on early release. Whereas government has immunity, many halfway houses are privately owned and therefore owe the public a duty to supervise dangerous residents on early release. Another group, homeowners associations and hotel complexes who have common areas that are shared by all the tenants. The landlord is responsible to keep the residents safe from known dangers and risks. Many homeowners associations advertise their location as safe, secure, and under surveillance, giving the residents a false sense of safety if those common areas are ignored or unprotected. Another group, private landlords who rent homes and apartments that are subsidized by the Department of Housing and Urban Development, which are located in dangerous high-crime areas. These landlords have a duty to take reasonable safety measures. When these private contractors reap lucrative profits from the Housing and Urban Development subsidy, they have potential liability if they take no steps to keep their tenants safe. If you've been a victim of crime and one of these groups are potentially responsible, contact the Law Center. You can find our contact information in the description section of this YouTube video. I hope you found this helpful. Please watch other informational videos on my YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for new videos. To learn more about my legal services, click the links in the description section of this YouTube video or on one of the video links on your screen. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.